When it comes to combining functionality with unmatched style, this Paris Hilton epic non-stick pots and pans set takes center stage. This 12-piece cookware collection is more than just kitchen essentials. It's a testament to modern design and effortless cooking. With its multi-layer non-stick coating, even heat distribution, and PFOA-free construction, this set ensures healthier meals and fuss-free cleaning. The chic tempered glass lids with gold accents, along with the soft-touch, stay-cool handles, make it an eye-catching addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an enthusiastic beginner, this set promises to elevate your culinary experience while adding a touch of glamour to your home. Exceptional non-stick coating for effortless cooking. The multi-layer non-stick coating is a standout feature. Designed to be PFOA-free, it ensures healthier cooking without needing excess oils or butter. Food glides off seamlessly, making cooking and cleaning remarkably convenient. Whether you're flipping pancakes or simmering sauces, the pots and pans perform consistently, delivering even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. Stylish and functional design. Available in trendy colors like pink, cream, and charcoal, this set complements any kitchen decor. The tempered glass lids, accented with gold rims, allow you to monitor your cooking while adding a touch of elegance. The lids are vented to release excess steam, ensuring spill-free cooking while retaining moisture and flavor. The soft-touch handles stay cool, providing excellent grip and control, even during high-heat cooking. This is not just cookware. It's a statement piece for your kitchen. Versatility for all cooking styles. The cookware is compatible with various stovetops, including gas, electric, induction, and glass. Whether you're boiling pasta, frying eggs, or preparing a hearty stew, the Paris Hilton cookware set delivers consistent results every time. Perfect for every occasion, this cookware set is versatile enough for different needs. It's perfect for home chefs. Elevate your cooking experience with professional-grade cookware. Gift giving, an ideal gift for weddings, housewarmings, or college students setting up their first apartment. Event hosting. Airbnb hosts will love its stylish appearance and functionality. Easy maintenance for everyday use. Cleaning up is hassle-free. The pots and pans are dishwasher-safe, which means you save time and effort after every meal. The set also includes felt protectors to prevent scratches during storage, ensuring your cookware looks brand new for years. Additional features that make it stand out. Durability. The premium construction ensures long-lasting use, even with daily cooking. Eco-friendly. Free from harmful chemicals like lead and cadmium, it's a healthier choice for your family and the planet. Complete set. From fry pans to saucepans, this set covers all your cooking needs. Why choose the Paris Hilton cookware set? If you value aesthetics, performance, and convenience, this cookware set delivers it all. Its luxurious design, combined with practical features, makes it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, this set is tailored to simplify your culinary journey. Conclusion. This Paris Hilton epic non-stick pots hand set isn't just cookware. It's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone who values style and functionality in the kitchen. From the effortless non-stick performance to the glamorous design, this set is a game-changer. Whether you're whipping up gourmet meals or everyday dishes, the even heat distribution and durable construction ensure flawless results. Plus, the dishwasher-safe feature saves you time and energy, while the felt protectors keep your cookware pristine. Ready to live your best kitchen life? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this fabulous set that's as iconic as its creator. Are you ready to cook in style? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this stunning cookware set today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.